Today, students, I will explain 13.3, question number 1. The question is, a metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast into the shape of the cylinder of radius 6 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. So let us see. Here, first it was a spherical shape. It is recast into a cylindrical shape. So first, radius of the sphere, that is equals to given 4.2 centimeter. Let this be R1. Okay, and it is recast into cylinder. So radius of the cylinder, that is given 6 centimeter. Let this be R2. So what is the volume of this sphere? Here you can take height equals to h be the height of the cylinder that we have to find. And let it, this we have to find. So volume of the sphere, that is equals to volume of the cylinder, because the sphere is recast into the cylinder. So volume of the sphere, the formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here we have taken r1, radius of the sphere, so you can write r1 here. And volume of the cylinder, pi r square h. And here we have taken r2 as the radius of the cylinder, so we can write r2 here. So it is 4 by 3 pi radius of the sphere 4.2. So it is 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2. And this is equals to pi. R2 is 6. So 6 into 6 into h. Pi it will get cancelled. So h equals to 4 into 4.2 into 4.2 divided by 3 into 6 into 6. So with 2 we can cancel, and this is your 2. With 3 you can cancel this one. With 3 you can cancel this. 3 1 are 3, 4. With 2 we can cancel this 3, and with 3 we can cancel this 1.4, and this is 1.4. So height equals to 1.4 into 1.4 into 1.4, and that is equals to 2.744 meter, which we can write 2.74 meter. Next question is your question number 3. A 20-meter deep well with the diameter 7 meter is dug, and the earth from the digging is evenly spread out to form a platform whose dimensions are given 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. Again here, this is a well whose height is given 20 meter and the diameter 7 meter. So this is a cylindrical. So the diameter of the well, that is given 7 meter. So radius is 7 by 2 meter. Okay, and height of the well, that is given 20 meter. In next here, it is earth is dug out and it is spread like a platform, whose dimensions given. Dimensions of the platform: length is given 22 meter, breadth is given 14 meter, height we have to find. So again here, volume of this earth dug out, that is equals to volume of the platform. Volume of the earth in the well, that is equals to volume of the earth of the platform, because the earth dug out, that is only spread here. So what is the volume of the well? That is cylinder, so it is pi r square h, and it is a cuboidal, so the volume is length into breadth. Let this height be h1, so we can write here h1. So it is here pi 22 by 7, radius 7 by 2, 7 by 2, height 20, and length here 22, 14, and height h1. So h1, that is equals to 770, and this is 22 into 14. With 11 we can cancel, and this is 70. Again with 7 we can cancel, so it is 5 by 2. So what is h1? That is equals to 5 by 2, and that is equals to 2.5 meter. So height of the platform formed, that is equals to 2.5 meter. Height of the platform, that is 2.5 meter. In all the question of this type, we have to first one shape that is changed into another. So volume of the two should be equal. We have to take volume of the earth dug out from the well, that is equals to volume of the earth of the platform. Okay, you will equate first. You will not calculate each side, but you will equate, you will put the values, and the last you will do the calculation. I think it is clear to you.